What features should be mentioned about KAIBOER DMP-K8 Pro Hi-Fi Streamer? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: all-in-one music streamer, CD player, DAP, DAC, preamp, all in DMP-K8 Pro. Each one of these jobs, it's up to the task. It will be a great component to your audio system. Easy control via 7.8-inch large LCD color touchscreen and exclusive mobile app for Android, iOS, PC, Mac. Note: the app connects via Wi-Fi. The DMP-K8 Pro does not have Bluetooth functionality. The apex of sound, dual flagship ESS 9039 Pro. KAIBOER K8 Pro features dual ESS 9039 Pro flagship DAX plus 10XOPA1612A amplifier. This dual mono architecture delivers an industry-leading dynamic range and ultra-low distortion. Support 768 kHz, 32-bit, DSD 512, achieving an impressive SNR 140. Stunning 7.8-inch HD touchscreen. Break free from small, clunky displays. The large 7.8-inch Full HD touch interface offers a premium, tablet-like experience. View album art, real-time lyrics, spectral analysis, and dynamic VU meters with vivid detail. Dedicated hi-fi CD player, via external drive support. The KAIBOER K8 Pro has a built-in CD drive that supports CD ripping, allowing you to play CDs directly or rip them to local storage. Supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Wireless transmission supports streaming protocols like DLNA and Airplay. The DMP-K8 Pro can be controlled via Wi-Fi through an app, enabling remote music library management, integrated music source scheduling, synchronized playlist display, and reverse screen mirroring. Flagship 8GB DDR4 plus 64GB eMMC. You can smoothly use various mainstream apps, such as Amazon Music, TIDAL, Qobuz, and Hires Audio, and take advantage of numerous high-quality online music services. Spotify Connect lossless, wireless music streaming, TIDAL Connect, and DLNA are supported. It features built-in dual hard drive bays, 2.5-inch SATA and M2, supports cloud platform playback and backup, supports up to 8 TB storage. KAIBOER Lyric AI, a new epoch is beginning. KAIBOER is the first brand to use AI big data models to obtain detailed song information and display it. Users can choose between AI lyrics search and loading or AI static lyrics display in the lyrics settings. DAC supports a wide range of digital inputs and outputs. Support USB input, digital sign go through DMP-K8 Pro. It will have RCA, XLR analog output, optical, HDMI. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.